Head protection, hard hats. Hard hats work exactly as a helmet. One cannot ride a bike without a helmet. The same way, one cannot work into factories and industries without hard hats. These hard hats protect one's head from bumping into machines, from falling objects from heights, such as spanners, screwdrivers, measuring tapes, and much more. It also protects from oil spills and electric shocks. Face masks and face shield. It is very important to be wearing face masks and face shields at work every day. It protects your face from dust, from small particles going into your nose and mouth. It protects your face from grinding and welding sparks. Eye protection, glasses and goggles. Eye protection is very important, especially when one is working with sharp objects, with chemicals, when welding, and in constructions. Eye injuries are very common, thus, one should always wear glasses or goggles when working. It prevents from damaging your vision and prevents from serious injuries. By wearing safety glasses or goggles, it protects your eyes from splashes, steam, heat, as well as small particles going into the eyes. Ear protection, earmuffs and earplugs. As we know, in factories and industries, there is a lot of machinery noise. A lot of machines are working at once. Earmuffs and earplugs protect your ears from loud noises, keep your ears warm, and most importantly, protects from hearing loss. Hand protection, work gloves. Work gloves protects your hands when working with dangerous objects or chemicals. By wearing these, you have a better grip while working. Butyl rubber gloves works perfectly with chemicals. Rubber materials don't get wet, so it helps in overall protection. These gloves can be used in both temperatures, hot and cold, thus protecting from harmful chemicals such as acid, fuel, and alcohol. Puncture-resistant gloves is created for people who use sharp knives or sharp objects. This protects you from cutting and burning your hands while working in constructions, industries, as well as at home. Latex plastic gloves. These gloves are used in hospitals and in labs. They fit according to your hand size, allowing it to be tight and protect you from chemicals, hazards, and other harmful materials. Vibration resistant gloves is used in constructions, factories, and industries. This is necessary if one works with high impact vibration tools. It can be very dangerous if not worn at all times. Thus, it protects you from harmful incidents. Leather gloves provides protection mainly for welders as it has good grip and it is durable. These gloves must not be used in heat as most of the times this material can tear and thereafter burn hands. Coated fabric gloves protects against cuts, chemicals as well as punctures. It is coated with PVC and nitrite. Body protection, overalls. Overalls can be worn as uniforms. It protects your normal clothes from the busy environment that you might be working on. Overalls usually are to protect your body against flames, sparks, and even hot and cold weather as it adds more airflow. Also, it protects your body from oil, dirt, and grease. One always needs tools, so overalls have enough pockets that helps you keep your tools. Some overalls are waterproof and water resistant. Feet protection. Gumboots and gaiters. Gumboots and safety boots is a necessary footwear when working in factories and industries. It is a protective gear against injuries and hazards. All safety boots provide a steel toe cap to protect your feet from getting crushed or injured. It also protects your feet from hard, heavy, sharp falling objects. Gaiter. It prevents welding sparks and cutting debris from going into your safety boots through the lace and burning your feet. It helps to protect your feet and legs from getting wet. It helps against electrical hazards.